Hello, viewers. How are you doing today? Are you doing good? I hope everybody is good back home. Perfect. All right. So see, as promised, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों से वादा किया था, पहली बात तो the channel name is Gautam की ज्ञानशाला. Okay, all right. My name is Gautam Chaturvedi. I would be your mentor in this class. Okay. First thing, जब मैंने आपसे वादा किया था, alright, I promised you I'll bring you some spoken English videos as well, okay? So I have started bringing the spoken English videos that will definitely help you out in speaking a good English, alright? Okay? See, I'm not talking about a fluent English. मैं फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? मैं झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहता, साफ सी बात है, क्योंकि मैं फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश बोल दूंगा, फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल दूंगा, तो अगर आपको पहले से ही आपके घर में इंग्लिश बोली जाती है, you have a background, somebody in your home is from English medium, either your mother, father, or both of your mother, father, or your brother, your sister, your wife, your husband, anybody is of the English medium background, that will definitely help you out. ठीक है, तो अब अगर आपका ऐसा है, इंग्लिश बैकग्राउंड है, कोई भी इंग्लिश मीडियम से है आपके घर में, योर होम, देन इट वुड बी मच बेटर फॉर यू. तो मैं कह सकता हूँ दैट फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल लेंगे आप, अगर आपका इंग्लिश बैकग्राउंड नहीं रहा है अब तक. ऑलराइट, आई नो देयर आर मेनी पीपल in my country that feel shy of speaking English. Why? Because their background was not from English medium. या तो उनका बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, या उनके घर में कोई बोलता नहीं है. ठीक है, तो जब घर में ही ऐसा माहौल होता है कि जब कोई इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करता, तो बच्चे के लिए ये थोड़ी सी एक दिक्कत हो जाती है. जहां तक कि बच्चों की ही बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, अगर मैं बात करूं आज कल के ऑफिस गोइंग पीपल की, ठीक है, जो ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, जो थोड़े बड़े हैं 35-40 इयर्स, उनको भी ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. क्यों? क्योंकि कभी उन्होंने इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्स नहीं करा. दे हैड नेवर कॉन्वर्स इन इंग्लिश, ऑलराइट, उनका कॉन्वर्सेशन कभी इंग्लिश में हुआ ही नहीं. सो दैट इज व्हाई उनको वो जो पब्लिक फियर होता है इंग्लिश बोलने का, वो हमेशा रहता है. ओके, लेकिन अब डरने की बात नहीं है. डोंट नीड टू फियर एट ऑल. ऑलराइट, आई एम हियर विद यू. ओके, सो फॉर 90 days, for 90 days I will be your mentor. Okay, we'll study how to speak English, all right, and within these 90 days, or if I say after these 90 days, I'm sure you will be able to speak a good English, if not a fluent one. Okay, all right, I'll try that you speak a fluent English, but if not a fluent one, at least you can speak a good English, so that it would be a respectable moment for you, all right, so that you can speak in front of 10 people. If you are sitting among 10 people, then you will be able to speak a good English, all right. Okay, so for these 90 days I will be your mentor. So for the first month we are going to work on basic grammar techniques. Okay, for the first month we are going to work upon basic grammar techniques, or I say for the first 30 days we'll work on the basic grammar technique. All right, for the next 30 days we are going to work on our speaking skills. All right, so I would be and for next 30 days, for the last 30 days, it would be your listening and personality development. All right, listening and personality development. So this is the whole syllabus that we will cover. All right, first 30 days for your basic grammar, next 30 days for your speaking skills, and the last 30 days for listening and personality development. So this is how it will go. Okay, so for the next 90 days I will be your mentor. Please remember my name, Gautam Chaturvedi, and please remember the channel's name is Gautam Ki Gyanshala. Okay, all right, so we'll try our best. I'll give my 100%. You practice at home. I'll give you some sentences every day to practice. Okay, I'll tell you how you can improve your vocabulary. That's the difficult part of English, to have a good vocab. Okay, and tenses. We'll cover the whole part of tenses, because I'll tell you why we have to do tenses. That's a very important thing in English. Okay, so this was the whole overview. That is how we'll go for the next 90 days. Okay, all right. We'll start from tomorrow. Tomorrow will be our first day. So keep your register, notebooks and pen handy with you, so that you can note down wherever you feel like. Okay, alright. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Take care.